This is the Capacitor Charge Discharge Calculator for RC circuits, which calculates the time constant, voltage at a specific time, and energy stored in your capacitor. Let's look at the 4 input fields. First, enter your capacitance in microfarads. Next, input your resistance in ohms. Then add your source voltage in volts. Finally, specify the time in milliseconds at which you want to know the capacitor's voltage. Once you've entered these values, click Calculate RC Circuit. Here's a worked example. I'll enter 100 microfarads for capacitance, 1000 ohms for resistance, 12 volts for source voltage, and 100 milliseconds for time. After clicking Calculate, we get 3 results. The time constant is 100.0 milliseconds, which tells us how fast the capacitor charges. At 100 milliseconds, which equals 1 time constant, the voltage Vt is 7.585 volts. This is approximately 63% of our 12-volt source, confirming the standard RC charging behavior. The energy stored is 2876.95 microjoules, representing the total energy in the capacitor at this time point. This calculator streamlines RC circuit analysis for your design work. Find the link in the description below.